Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make my amazing chicken peanut butter soup Ghana style. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and I'll see you next time. For this recipe, I am going to use soft chicken. Please feel free to use the hard one, but this is the one we prefer. I am going to steam the chicken with some ginger, pepper, garlic, fresh thyme, and onion. I am also going to add rosemary, aniseed, and some peppercorn. So let's get started. So I am going to blend all the ingredients. Feel free to use fresh rosemary if you prefer, or use shallots instead of onions, and use more pepper if you like. And then I am going to add some water to blend it. And then I am going to pour it over my chicken. And then I'm just going to rinse my blender with a little bit of water and pour it over the chicken. To that, I am going to add some chicken seasoning, and this is from the brand RENNIE. It is one of my favorite actually. Then I am also going to add some food seasoning and another type of chicken seasoning from RAJAH. Then I am going to stir it. Then I am going to put the lid back on and leave it to simmer for a total of about 15 to 20 minutes. But just after about 3 to 5 minutes, I am going to add my tomato paste or tomato puree. You don't need too much of it, just a tablespoon, it's okay. Then I am going to stir it gently. By the way, I was supposed to add it in the beginning, but I didn't. It didn't change anything, so don't worry about it. Whilst my chicken is steaming, I am going to prepare my peanut butter. I'm using Tesco smooth peanut butter for the ones in the UK. I usually use the Ghanaian one, but this time I use this one, which is also very good. There are so many different ways of preparing chicken peanut butter soup, and this is one of the methods. So I'm going to add about 4.5 tablespoons of peanut butter into my container. And then I am going to add in hot water. When I say hot water, I mean boiled water. So I'm going to add the water gradually until I get the consistency I am looking for. So I'm just going to stir it until it dissolves. So my peanut butter is not quite ready yet, so I'm going to add just a little bit more water to it and keep stirring. And voila, this is exactly what I was looking for. Next step, very easy, is to pour it into the pot. And then I am going to top it up with water. So the quantity of water I am adding depends on the quantity of soup I am making. Some people like it thick, some people don't like it very thick. I'm in between. Okay, so after adding the water, I'm going to add in my veggies. So my tomatoes, my onion, my aubergine. You can see in the corner what it looks like. Cover and let it simmer. Hey guys, I am back to check on my veggies and they are nicely cooked. So I'm going to take them out of the pot and put them directly in my blender. I just removed a toothpick from my onion. I added it to just keep it together. All right, so don't forget to remove it. So that's it. I'm going to blend it and then pour it back into the pot. Rinse it and put it back. Now I'm going to add SANKOFA chicken and beef seasoning. Honestly, it is one of the best seasonings out there in Ghana. hands up. I really love it. And then I'm going to add some salt to taste and stir it. Feel free to add any other seasoning you like Maggi, food seasoning, anything you like. And then I am going to add a bit more of my aubergine. So I didn't use the whole of the aubergine, I just used half of it. And I'm going to add the other half to it, and some mushroom. Have you ever tried chicken peanut soup with mushrooms? It is just amazing. So guys, I came to check on my soup and it looks amazing, it smells amazing, and it's almost done. And voila, this is my chicken peanut butter soup. You can see that the oil has settled on top. It means the soup is ready. And yeah, what else to do now? Just need to serve. You can either eat it with your rice balls or your fufu. Some people also eat it with banku or kenke. I've never tried that before, but yeah, why not? So look at the consistency of this soup. This is the perfect Ghanaian chicken peanut butter soup. You really need to try it. You are not going to regret it. However, when you try it, don't forget to send me pictures on Instagram or leave me a comment. So guys, this was my easy Ghanaian chicken peanut butter soup, or Nkatɛnkwan. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and you're going to try it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another amazing Mrs. Jewelry recipe. Until then, stay blessed and look after yourselves. Thank you and bye bye.